To attach these straps to Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all you will need to remove both of these straps from the box and separate them. Next step is to grab your watch, and then you need to find the attachment points. One is right here and one is on the other side. The same on the straps. You need to align them to the slot. So if you pay attention to the strap, there's a gap right here, and right here, and also in the attachment point there's a small metal sticking out, and we need to align them together. So grab your strap, then put it like this so it's fully down like that, and then we can try to attach it. So grab your watch, put it upside down and try to push it into the slot. It takes a bit of force to actually do it, but at some point you should manage to fully attach it. Okay, so if you hear that click, that means our strap is attached. Now we just need to do it with the other side as well. So the same thing, we flip our watch upside down, we take the strap, align it like this, and then we push it in. Okay, so here we have both of the straps attached, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.